Hi guys, it's Christina Connolly, and I'm here today with another tech tip for you. Today we're going to go back to basics with a more simplistic way that you can work with PDFs. As you can see, I found a PDF resource that I'd like to use from online. I'm going to click download to get a copy of that resource. And even though I see the item downloading here on the lower left, I'm not going to click here to open the item. I'm going to navigate to my downloads folder right here on the lower part of my taskbar, opening the File Explorer and finding my Downloads folder either here or here. Once I open my Downloads folder, I see a copy of the item. Depending on what your default PDF viewer is set to, when I double-click to open this, it may or may not open in Acrobat DC. To make sure I'm using the right program, I'm going to right-click and open with Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Once I open the item, you'll see a navigation bar on the right-hand side. If you don't see that navigation bar, make sure you toggle the navigation bar on using the little tiny arrow to the right. I'm looking for the option to fill and sign. Again, this is a free feature, so I don't have to sign in order to use this. Once I click fill and sign, I have some real simplistic tools that I can use here. I can add a text box by clicking the A and clicking where I want my text to go. I do have options in here, such as making the text larger or adding text boxes in which one letter will go into each location. If I decide I don't want the text box, I can trash it. I also have the option to add X's, check marks, resizable circles, lines, and dots. You'll also see the option to add a signature. If I click the sign button, I can go to add signature, and it will give me the option of 3 different ways to add a signature, whether I want to type it in, draw my signature with my mouse, or capture an image that I may already have saved on my computer. Once I capture my signature, I can click apply, and now I have a floating signature that I can add anywhere on my document. Keep in mind that once you put your signature on a page and save it, you will no longer be able to edit the document, so it's a good idea to make this the last step before saving. After I'm done making all of my edits, I will go and save this file, decide where I want to save it, and once it's saved, I can then upload it to my Google Classroom, email it, or treat it just like any other PDF that I have saved on my computer. If you have questions about using the free Adobe Reader DC to edit PDFs, just let me know. Thanks and have a great day.